Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This is like random review episode 120 something. It's insane. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. There's lots of stuff you guys don't want to miss out on in the future. I am in the studio, currently in the studio with me right now is your favorite, controversially your favorite co-star, Colin. Over there. Colin, you want to come say hi?
No.
No? Okay, well you can hear his voice. Colin's over there.
I'm not getting shocked.
You want to get shocked? We can find the taser.
No.
No? Okay. Today I've got an interesting product for you guys. It's a pop socket. You guys all know what they are. This was super cheap. I found it on eBay for just a couple bucks. I'll pop a link in the description if you want to get your own. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, we're going to open this thing up. Yes, I still haven't looked for the meat cleaver knife. I don't know where it is. Shh, stop. Okay. Oh. What has fallen off my wrist? Oh, the last product I reviewed. Check out that video. Alright. So yes, this thing does come in standard eBay packaging. That gray stuff. And here it is. This specific design is like a galaxy theme. It's like purple and blue and whatnot. It's really cool. It actually matches the interior of my fiance's car. I redid all of that in another video. You can check that video out too. And this is actually her phone. You guys know I don't have an iPhone. So we're going to go ahead and put this thing on the back of there so she can have it. I don't know. I don't remember why I got it, but she can have it. Let's go ahead and... Okay. It comes out the box. Super simple. It does have 3M on the back, 3M adhesive. So we'll go ahead and stick it on. Alright, well I'm going to take that off so it's ready to stick. Now where would one want a pop socket to be placed? A little over halfway? Yes? Is that where you want it? Like a little higher than center? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, placing it right there. I feel like that was pretty good placement for just eyeballing it. And here it is. So if you don't know what a pop socket is, it sticks onto the back of your phone with adhesive, and then you can basically pop this thing out. It goes 2 tiers of distance. Then you can put your hand behind it, and then you can one-handed use your phone and not have to really worry about dropping it. Works for selfies and whatnot, whatever you kids are doing these days. It is a really nice design. The galaxy on it looks fairly vibrant, especially for the price. I'm sure the adhesive is strong. The construction just overall feels just as good as you could expect from any other pop socket. It goes up real easy. It's got this rubberized black material that it pops up from. All in all, fantastic product. You can see doesn't really move very much, and it works out as a nice little cheap thing to put on your phone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down somewhere near here. It says Over the Table. Hit it, because you don't want to miss out on future videos. If you want to check out that last video, it's up there. And if you want to check out the Random Reviews playlist, it's over there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.